In today's lecture, we are going to talk about establishing the project team. The most important part of any project is building the project team. You can have the best project planning documents, realistic schedules, and more than adequate budget. But if you don't have a skilled project team to carry out the work of the project schedules and budget won't do you much good. The efficient, productive teams are the result of careful selection involving evaluation of the skills, ability, and the personality traits. When establishing the project team, the team leader or the team manager must ask himself some questions, including who has the skills, who has worked in projects similar to this in the past, and who is available. These are the typical initial questions that must be asked when building a new team. There are other elements to consider when building the project team as well. The following list includes some of these elements. You must ask yourself who has the skills, who has the knowledge, who is available, and who has the required experience. Other elements must take in consideration, including the personality of the team members must fit with other team members. They must have the ability to work well with others. They must have the ability to learn new things, and they must have the ability to adapt to the changes. High-performing teams has the following characteristics: high level of trust for each other and for the project manager, enthusiastic commitment to the project, creative problem solving, enhanced communication, high levels of job satisfaction, shared accountability and rewards, and finally, joint decision making. When building the teams, there are 4 different stages that must be considered. The first stage is forming the team. Forming is the first stage in the team development. This occurs when the team members are introduced to each other and begin working together. The second step in the team building process is the storming step. In the storming, just as it sounds, in this stage, the team development where the people are more uncomfortable with each other and will challenge one another for a position and status within the team. The third step is norming. Team members know their place in the team and what their own role is, and they are comfortable working with each other. The last step in the team development stages is the performing stage. The performing stage is where the team function the most productive and effective way. They support one another, they monitor themselves, and they achieve great things in this stage. We can use the computer here for helping the manager, for making a skills assessment. So the skills assessment are designed to record the type of skills, the types of the skills, training, education, and special talents the team members have. We can design such a chart. We can call it the skills assessment chart or the employee skills inventory. Includes the project number, the project title, the project manager, and the columns include the employee name, job title, skills and training, years, and the education level. Such a chart can help us to identify the required skills and the required talents for different positions inside the team. For example, as a project sponsor, we can define him as the executive in the organization who oversees the project, advises the project manager, resolves the issues, serve as the tiebreaker or the final decision maker. The stakeholders can be included in this chart. They may serve as the advisors for the project manager, assist in the development of the project plans, provides inputs regarding the project decisions, and serve as the business experts. This chart also can include the project manager. The manager of the project create the project plans, measure and monitor the project performance, recommend the correction or the corrective actions, manage the project team, and report the status. And also can include the team members who complete the work of the project. In the same context, we can provide the RACI chart, which include the project number, the project title, the project manager, the description of the tasks, the responsibility part, the accountability part, the console part, and the informed. R here refer to the responsibility for performing the task. A refer to the accountability or the accountable, the person or group who is responsible for improving the or signing off the work, approving or signing of the work. C refers to the consult or the someone who has inputs in the work or decisions. I refer to inform, someone who must be informed for the decision. Thank you for listening. Hope you all the best. Thank you.